Ronald Brown. I was involved in a motor vehicle accident December 20th of 2024, experiencing some back pains and a lot of difficulty with my shoulder. This is my first time coming to West Park Rehab for physical therapy. As my shoulder has progressed very nicely, I was still having issues with my back. It was then recommended to me this Shockwave therapy, and what a godsend it has been. It's starting to work. I'm starting to feel a lot better now. Shockwave therapy, while sounding a little intimidating, is not, to me, it didn't hurt. It's just a loud thumping sound. Feels much like a Theragun if you've ever had a Theragun put on you. But as far as being uncomfortable, I experienced no level of being uncomfortable. After my first session with Shockwave therapy, I didn't notice a whole lot of difference. The second one, I started to note a difference. And by the third one, I knew something positive was happening within my back. If you seem to be stuck in your physical therapy or other treatments, don't lose heart. Reach out to West Park Therapy, ask them about their Shockwave therapy, and give it a try. For me, like I said, it was a godsend. It really, really is starting to work with me. So give it a try.
And if you need us, we'll be there for you.